Hi, this is Chinmayi. Today on the channel, I am giving you my opinion on the Juvia's Place foundation stick. So let me take you right in.
Hi!
BB thickening ever.
Hi, this is Chinmayi.
Okay, so this is a foundation stick and I bought it at Ulta Beauty. I'm going to be showing you how this works. I mean, of course, it works like any other foundation stick, but what I really liked about this is that it can give you near skin finish and it is also buildable coverage. Juvia's Place came up with a beautiful lineup of liquid foundations, concealers and a stick foundation for various skin types and undertones. This is just the amount of foundation that I have put on this side, and you can see the difference between this side and this. Of course, I have redness and spots of discoloration here and there, and just to tell you how much you can build this up, this I am going in with a second swipe, kind of put it onto your eyelids so that you can probably make sure that you can neutralize any darkness that you have. So this is one side of the face with the Juvia's Place foundation stick. One of the reasons that I really like Juvia's Place is that I started buying their eyeshadow palettes. They were beautifully pigmented. Nikki Tutorials made a beautiful, very famous video talking about their eyeshadow palettes, and this is an African American owned brand, and it's brands like these that require a lot of support. They are extremely inclusive in their product offerings. Their shades are beautiful, their offerings are beautiful, they are affordable, and when you see a brand, when you see a small homegrown brand come up with foundations that have very different undertones, and especially I think a brand like Juvia's Place would work great for the Indian skin tones, because I think a lot of our undertones match. You know, sometimes there are a lot of similarities, especially with the amount of melanin that our Indian skin tones also produce. So I am going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face with this foundation so that you can have a general idea as to how this looks like. So you see there is this little bit of redness and spots right here, so I am going to go over. So this is like a foundation and concealer in one, and you will see how it masks the redness on the side. I am using a Juvia silk finish brush. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier. Dragging it a bit down. So if you see, if I actually wore this foundation and stepped out, nobody would even make out that I am wearing a foundation, and that's what I like best about this stick foundation, because it's so natural and it's still it is still feeling like my skin. So if you are looking for a great foundation stick that will go for Indian skin tones, and if you are based in the US, please give Juvia's Place's foundation stick a try. I am going to leave the link down below, and please support this brand. Of course, I get nothing from promoting this brand, as you would know. Full disclaimer, if at all I end up putting up affiliate links through which I get any commission, as of now it does not work because I am an Indian resident, and there is no way by which money can come into India and stuff like that. If at all I end up making any money or getting benefited, or if there is a product that is free, that has been given to me for free to review, I will always say that it is a paid promotion, and the full trade disclosure will be there in the description box. That much you can trust me. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye bye.